Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OREX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, pretty much just summarizes the price action as a whole. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize this for me, I would say a pump and dump. And this definitely factors in some things from yesterday. And also, I'm not saying pump and dump implying that this company is being run out of somebody's basement in Somalia. I'm just saying that based on how the price acted. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's quickly run through the definition. Where did all this start? Well, it all started when essentially it broke up above this former area of resistance right here at 26 cents. And then in yesterday's video, if you watched it, I talked about 26 cents being that key level of support because that kind of represented, is the price making progress or is the price going back to where it was? And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were aren't exactly signs of true strength, right? You want to see price movement making progress forward. Again, I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. So what happened today? Well, again, let's go through the definition. At one point, the price was down there, and then yesterday the price went all the way up there. I'm assuming we can all agree that was a very nice price movement. Next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the time span of 2 days, I'm once again hoping we can agree that, yeah, all right, this did happen in a very short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower, and now it's sitting right back into this area where if you kind of match that up with the past, you can see that the price is literally right back into that range where it already was, and that is just not a sign of true power or anything like that. Now, can the price come back to life again and maybe create a whole nother nice move? Yeah, I'm not saying that the price can never, ever make a nice move again, but as far as this movement right here was concerned, yeah, given that the price is right back inside of that range, there wasn't any sort of true power behind it. It was a fake breakout, a dead cat bounce, pump and dump, whatever you want to call it. But there simply put wasn't any sort of genuine strength behind yesterday's price movement. And again, what gives me the right to say that? Well, common sense. The price literally went right back to where it all started, and that is just not a sign of true, genuine strength. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.